Boy, I'm about my business on business. I drink liquor on liquor. I had women on women. Yeah, that's bump bad bitches. I done live more than an 80-year-old man still kicking. Cause they live for some moments, and I live for a living. But this for the girls who barely let me get to first base on some ground ball shit. Cause now I run my city on some town hall shit. They praying on my motherfucking downfall, bitch, like a drought.
What is good, everybody? It is your favorite Marco back at it again with another one for y'all today. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing great. I know why you guys are here, so let's jump into it. I am indeed in North America, and I have these a little bit early. These are the Air Jordan 1 Georgetowns with the 1985 cut. This shoe is actually out in Europe and other continents, but we have not got the release yet. It is going to be April 2nd through the sneakers app, and check through your retailers just to make sure you increase your chances of getting this shoe. Because boy, this thing is very anticipated and hyped, and I kind of see why. I believe this is the second time that they're running with the 1985 cut on an Air Jordan 1, with the most recent one being the reverse bread. We're going with the Georgetown this time, and I'm not gonna lie, it's a very clean execution with this colorway. If you did not know, Jordan Brand does not make the shoes like how they used to back in the day. You still have Air Jordan 1s around, and yes, they look relatively same with the colorway, but their subtle details like the midsole, the cuts are a bit different, and that ultimately comes down to how it fits on your feet. And that's one thing I'm gonna get on this one too. For all my Air Jordan 1 people that know what I'm talking about, this is going to be another one of those with that stiff leather, meaning when you put it on your feet, it is going to meet that natural stereotype of Air Jordan 1s being very uncomfortable. This leather is very stiff. It does not give easy. It is definitely not a shattered backboard or a Chicago 1 2015 even, for that matter. It's definitely something you got to work with and break it. I'm hearing some say across the internet that if you wear this shoe more the leather actually starts to loosen up. I don't know how much I buy that, because every time I wear an Air Jordan 1 with this type of leather for extended time, it seems like my feet end up getting more hurt and the shoe doesn't end up getting any more loosened or more comfortable to wear. So we're gonna have to see on that. The best thing that has worked for me as far as wearing these for a little bit is lacing these as loose as possible. We all have our lace preferences, but honestly, for the sake of your foot, you're gonna wanna go ahead and start to break these in with this loose lace. You can find a tutorial on YouTube, but don't tighten them on your feet. Please don't. You're gonna chuck your toes. Your toes are probably gonna fall off. Another really cool detail I want to tell you guys about the shoe is that they put in the sizing on the collar, which is very dope, considering that they used to do that all the time back in the day with Air Jordan 1s. You'd have the size and you'd have some letters there. They brought it back for the 2016 band ones that came out, bread ones, whatever you want to call them, and they have not been seen since. But for them to put this thing back on and to give it that much more of a flashback, throwback, nostalgia look, thumbs up for that one. Another one of my favorite things that they did was that they included this. If you don't know what this is actually going to be just a tiny little pamphlet that breaks down the Air Jordan 1 in detail, breaks down the parts and components and what it actually does for the person who's wearing it. It's actually really cool, because I'm not gonna lie, like, yeah, I'm into shoes. Sometimes I just put them on and, you know, just wear them how I wear them, but sometimes I really do wonder, what is the purpose of this on this shoe? What is the purpose of this? Because sometimes I look at shoes and it's like, oh, so unnecessary, but you would never think that, oh, that plays a very important role in a person being comfortable while wearing the shoe. With these shoes not being out in North America yet, these are actually going for around $300 to $400. The bigger the size, the more you're gonna end up paying. The smaller the size, the smaller the resale cost. So you guys might want to check those right now. If you're thinking about getting those closer to release date, check the charts, just kind of compare the numbers and see where they end up being. I hope you guys enjoyed the look that I gave you on this shoe from my perspective and my thoughts on it. I hope you guys end up making the right decision if you guys want to end up actually going for these shoes, trying to get as many pairs as you want, just one for the toe, or you may just even pass on the release because you're not really too flattered on the selection of the shoe. That's what makes this unique. But I hope I served my purpose with that. You guys have a great day and take care.